To convert BTC to your USDT on your Binance apps, open your Binance app. If you go to your balance, then as you can see, I have some BTC that's shown as BTC. I want to convert it as a USDT. I have 139057 USDT, so I want to convert it. To convert it, go to trade. If you see this spot option, just press on convert. Now select your BTC. Now from here you need to select your USDT. Now select your max amount. Then as you can see, the preview option is showing. Now press on confirm. Now it's convert as a USDT. So that's it. This is how you can easily convert it. Thank you. Thumbs up, and to subscribe if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.